Hey everyone, ever look at your girlfriend and think, is she really into me? We've all been there. Love can be confusing, right? One minute you're sharing a pizza, the next you're wondering if well, fret no more. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 signs she's totally smitten with you. Knowing how to read the love language of your partner is like having the secret code to a happy, healthy, and long-lasting relationship. So buckle up, grab your loved one, and let's decode those love signals together. Sign 1. She makes time for you, even when life's a circus. Okay, first up is a biggie. Does she make time for you, even when she's busier than a bee in a flower shop? We're talking swamped, booked, and double booked. When someone truly cares, they move mountains to spend time with you. It might not be a fancy dinner date, but even a quick coffee, a funny text, a "how was your day?" phone call. Those little gestures speak volumes. If she's carving out time for you in her crazy schedule, it's a surefire sign she's head over heels. Remember, quality time is like oxygen for a relationship, so if she's making time for you, even when life throws its worst, take it from me, that's love. She remembers everything. And I mean, have you ever told someone something and they completely forget? It's like, hello, did you hear a word I said? But then there are those special people who remember the tiniest details. Well, when a woman is truly in love, she becomes this amazing memory keeper. She remembers that funny story you told her months ago, the name of your childhood pet, and even that weird food you wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. It's about paying attention. When you love someone, you hang on to their every word. So, if she surprises you with your favorite ice cream flavor, or brings up that inside joke that makes you both laugh until your sides hurt, pay attention. Those little things? Those are giant neon signs flashing, "I love you." Everyone wants to feel seen and heard, right? So take note, fellas, this one's important. Sign 3, your biggest cheerleader, that's her. Next up, let's talk about dreams. We all have them, right? Those big, audacious goals we're chasing. But sometimes we need a little encouragement along the way. Someone to believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. And that's where she comes in. If she truly loves you, she's your biggest cheerleader. She's the one who pushes you to be your best self, who celebrates your victories like they're her own, and who picks you up when you stumble. She doesn't try to change your dreams or steer you in a different direction. She supports you wholeheartedly because she knows how much those dreams mean to you. Think about it. Life is full of challenges. And if she's that person for you, hold on to her tight, because that kind of unwavering support, that's love in its purest form. Sign 4, meet the parents and friends and the mailman. Okay, this next sign is a big one. Does she introduce you to her friends and family? And I don't just mean a quick hello at a party. I'm talking about real introductions. Because let's be honest, meeting the people who matter most to someone can be nerve-wracking. It's like a test, right? But here's the thing. If she's eager to introduce you to her inner circle, it means she's proud to have you by her side. She's not hiding you away like a dirty secret. So, if you've met the parents and survived, congratulations. You've officially entered the inner circle of love. Sign 5, your success is her success, and that's true love. Now let's talk about success. When you achieve something amazing, who's the first person you want to tell? Your best friend? Your mom? Your dog? Well, if she truly loves you, she's right up there at the top of that list. And here's the thing. It's not just about being happy for you. It's about genuinely sharing in your joy. She's over the moon because your happiness is her happiness. So if she's your biggest cheerleader, your confidant, and your partner in crime, hold on to her tight. Because that kind of love, the kind that celebrates your successes as her own, is truly special. Sign 6, fighting fair. It's not about winning, it's about growing. Okay, let's be real for a second. Even the best relationships have their disagreements. It's inevitable, right? We're all human and we're not always going to see eye to eye. But here's the thing. It's not about avoiding conflict altogether. It's about how you handle it. When a woman truly loves you, she's willing to work through those disagreements with you. She doesn't shut down, storm off, or resort to name-calling. She listens to your perspective, even when it's hard. She communicates her feelings openly and honestly, and she's always willing to find a compromise. So, if you can have a disagreement without it turning into World War III, congratulations, you've mastered the art of fighting fair. Sign 7, PDA alert, public displays of affection and private ones too. All right, let's talk about affection. You know, those little gestures that make your heart go pitter-patter. A gentle touch on the arm, a sweet kiss on the cheek, a warm embrace that makes you feel safe and loved. When a woman is truly smitten with you, she can't keep her hands off you. And I'm not just talking about making out in public, though a little PDA never hurt anyone. It's about those small, everyday gestures that show you care. It's about holding hands while you walk down the street, snuggling up on the couch during movie night, and giving each other spontaneous hugs just because. So if she's showering you with affection, both in public and in private, consider yourself one lucky duck. Because that kind of physical touch, that's love language in its purest form. It's about expressing your feelings without words, and creating a connection that's both physical and emotional. Sign 8, pillow talk, sharing secrets and dreams under the covers. You know what they say, communication is key, and nowhere is that truer than in a romantic relationship. When a woman truly loves you, she wants to share everything with you. Her hopes, her dreams, her fears, her secrets. She opens up her heart and lets you in. And here's the thing, it's not always easy to be vulnerable. So if she's comfortable sharing her innermost thoughts and feelings with you, consider yourself one lucky duck. Because that kind of emotional intimacy, that's the foundation of a strong and lasting bond. Sign 9, love is a two-way street, and she's paving the way. Now let's talk about sacrifice. Love isn't always about grand gestures and romantic getaways. Sometimes it's about the little things. When a woman truly loves you, she's willing to make sacrifices for your happiness. It's not about keeping score or expecting something in return. So, if she's constantly going above and beyond for you, making those little sacrifices that show you she cares, hold on to her tight. Because that kind of selfless love, that's the kind that makes life a little brighter and a whole lot more meaningful. Sign 10, the future is bright and you're in it. Last but not least, let's talk about the future. When you picture your life 5, 10, 20 years down the road, who do you see by your side? If the answer is her, and if she feels the same way, well, that's a pretty good sign you found something special. When a woman truly loves you, she includes you in her plans for the future. She talks about traveling the world together, starting a family, growing old together, hopefully gracefully. She sees you as an integral part of her life, not just a temporary companion. It's about making a commitment to build a life together, brick by brick, dream by dream. So if you're having those late-night conversations about your hopes and dreams, and if you're both excited about what the future holds, congratulations. You found a love that's worth cherishing. True love. Cherish it, nurture it, celebrate it. Well, there you have it. 10 undeniable signs that she's head over heels in love with you. Remember, love is a beautiful and complex emotion. It's about respect, trust, communication, and a whole lot of laughter. If you notice these signs in your relationship, cherish them, nurture them. True love is a precious gift, and it's something to be celebrated every single day. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, spread the love.